So guys, I feel so sad. So kung magsalita, affected ako, syempre. I'm a fan of Katniel. But hindi naman super diehard. Pero nasubaybayan ko naman yung mga movies nila before. And lahat naman magaganda, nakaka-in love. And knowing na super strong yung relationship nila, ang tagal na nila, grabe. Tapos, today, maririnig mo na wala na sila. Anong dahilan, di ba? Marites lang. So, nakakapanghinayang, syempre. Sino bang hindi malulungkot? Pero alam nyo, respetuhin natin yung desisyon nila kasi hindi nyo alam kung ano yung pinagdadaanan nila, hindi nyo alam kung ano yung sitwasyon nila. But I hope not, yung talaga. I hope not hindi third party yung involved kasi sobrang nakakapanghinayang. But I uploaded Catherine Bernardo kasi she chose to be, she chose her words, her statement. Grabe, maingat siya. And she's an example of a class lady. Yung pag-post niya is never against, like, yung tira para kay sorry, kay Daniel. So, she respect Daniel Padilla. And also, siguro yung career nila, kailangan nilang protektahan. And sa tagal nila at sa tagal ng pinagsamahan nila, I'm sure sa ngayon, though they are hurting, pero andun pa rin yung love. Kaya siguro they chose to protect each other. Pero I'm really sad. Sobrang. So ano nang next? Sino na ang partner mo, Daniel Padilla? Don't tell me yung isang babae. I'm sorry, but sana hindi siyang dahilan. I just hope not. Pero kung pinasok niya yan at mabash siya, so, it's your choice. Diba? And I hope them the best. Yeah. Hoping for the best. Kung wala na talagang pag-asa, ano pa bang magagawa natin? So, I just hope and pray na maging okay sila. They both can move on ng maayos. And sana maging successful pa rin sila in separate ways. Like, kahit magkahiwalay na sila, maging okay pa rin yung career nila. Like, they both become successful pa rin. So, yun lang. I'm still hoping for them to be okay. And sana in the future, magkakasama pa rin sila sa movie. Like a comeback movie. Why not, diba? Depends sa kanilang dalawa. So, hoping na kung hindi man nila masabi ngayon, masabi nila yung totoong dahilan kung bakit talaga sila naghiwalay. Syempre curious kami. Yun lang. Pero hindi ko naman pinipilit kayo na sabihin yung totoo. It's your choice, it's your life. So, kung gusto nyo ng privacy, of course, respetuhin namin yan. As a fan, gusto ko maging maayos si Catherine Bernardo. I'm sure she's hurting. And take it easy. Kasi, ganoon talaga. Pag break up, masakit. But, eventually, makaka-recover ka rin. Slowly but surely. So, ayun lang. God bless you both. Yun lang po. Thank you. Bye.